Casement windows are a popular window style that offers a blend of elegance, functionality, and energy efficiency. Whether you're looking to upgrade your Glendale home's aesthetics or improve ventilation, casement windows are an excellent choice. In this guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about casement windows, including their features, benefits, and why they are a great option for homeowners in Glendale. What are casement windows? Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward like a door, usually operated with a crank handle. They provide a clear, unobstructed view and allow for maximum ventilation. Casement windows are commonly used in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and other areas where natural light and fresh air are desired. Benefits of casement windows for Glendale homes. Casement windows offer several advantages that make them an attractive option for homeowners in Glendale. Enhanced ventilation. Unlike traditional sliding or double-hung windows, casement windows open fully, allowing fresh air to flow into your home. This is especially beneficial in Glendale, where warm temperatures can make proper airflow essential for maintaining indoor comfort. Energy efficiency. Casement windows provide a tight seal when closed, making them one of the most energy-efficient window options available. This feature helps keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter, reducing energy costs. Unobstructed view. Since casement windows don't have a central meeting rail like double-hung or sliding windows, they offer a clear and wide view of the outdoors. Whether you have a beautiful backyard, garden, or cityscape, casement windows allow you to enjoy the scenery without obstructions. Improved security. The design of casement windows makes them more secure than many other window types. With a hook-shaped lock embedded within the frame, they are difficult to pry open from the outside, providing an extra layer of security for your Glendale home. Versatile design options. Casement windows are available in various materials, colors, and finishes, allowing you to customize them to match your home's architectural style. Whether your home has a modern, traditional, or Mediterranean aesthetic, there's a casement window design that suits your needs. Casement window materials and styles. When selecting casement windows, choosing the right material is crucial for durability and maintenance. Here are the most common options. Vinyl casement windows, affordable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. Wood casement windows, classic and elegant but require more maintenance. Aluminum casement windows, strong, durable, and resistant to harsh weather. Fiberglass casement windows, a premium option offering high durability and excellent insulation. Additionally, casement windows come in different styles, including single casement windows, one window pane that opens outward. Double casement, French-style windows, two panes that open outward without a central post. Push-out casement windows, operated without a crank, pushed open manually. Casement windows in Glendale's climate. Glendale's warm, dry summers and mild winters make energy-efficient windows a necessity. Casement windows are ideal because they provide excellent insulation, preventing heat from entering your home in the summer while retaining warmth in the winter. Their full opening capability also allows for maximum airflow during cooler evenings, reducing the need for air conditioning. How to choose the right casement windows in Glendale. When selecting casement windows for your home, consider the following factors. Frame material. Choose a material that suits your aesthetic and maintenance preferences. Glass type. Opt for energy-efficient glass options like low-E coatings or double-pane glass. Hardware and finishes. Select handles and frames that match your home's decor. Installation quality. Ensure professional installation to maximize energy efficiency and durability. Where to buy casement windows in Glendale. If you're ready to install or replace casement windows, work with a trusted local supplier or contractor. Look for companies that offer high-quality products, warranties, and professional installation services. Final thoughts. Casement windows are an excellent choice for Glendale homeowners looking for enhanced ventilation, energy efficiency, and a sleek design. Whether you're upgrading your home for aesthetics or functionality, investing in high-quality casement windows will provide long-term benefits. If you're considering a window replacement or installation, reach out to a local expert to explore the best options for your home.